cc, 78.5 cc Predator engine from, I believe it's from gasbike.net. It's the first build I've done. It's not complete right now. You know, they didn't send me every single part. You see, they sent me the pineapple bushing sprocket kit. Is missing bolts. They didn't send me the bolts, so I'm doing a hub adapter upgrade with the 40 tooth. I'm waiting on that. I've heard other people say that this number 41 roller chain that comes with it for the transmission is one link too short, and of course it was one link too short. They actually sent me two. I don't know if it was on accident. I don't know if maybe they expect me to take one link out the other one. I feel like that's kind of dangerous, so I just bought a whole new chain. It was a 3-foot chain. It was $6 plus shipping. Just tapped out the link to make it the proper size. It was pretty easy. So I got lucky. I actually ordered the kit on sale. It was supposed to be $219. It had the built-in gas tank and exhaust. And last minute I seen the better deal for $239 with the mounted gas tank right here, and I guess the little cold air intake came with that, and also the adapter right here for the 2-stroke muffler. So I called them right away and told them I ordered the wrong thing, and they pulled the order. They said they did, but what they actually did was just throw in the extra stuff on top of the first order. So I ended up getting the engine mounted gas tank and muffler with it as well. So kind of came up there. Kind of having a little bit of trouble with these engine mounts. They're not the greatest, but I made it work. I'm gonna have to try and tighten it down as best as possible. Maybe I might take it off and maybe wrap something to make it a more snug fit around my frame. Pretty much all I got left is that sprocket, and I want to actually hook up the kill switch. Supposed to be getting some new tires as a Christmas present. Probably get a new seat as well. Oh yeah, I'm also waiting on I think it's the American to Euro bottom bracket conversion. I got that with a 36 tooth wide crank setup. So it's actually got the longer bar coming right here, plus I got the wide crank arm setup. But I just noticed that I actually would have clearance without it, but I guess it's cool. It'll make it a little bit easier. But yeah, first bike build. It actually looks like it's coming out really well. I'm pretty happy. I was gonna get one of the cheap Chinese ones for like $90 or whatever, but I spent a little bit more and it actually is looking pretty nice. I'm sure maybe later after I have it running a little bit, I might go for the governor removal. I've been watching videos on how to do that, so yep, I think it came out pretty nice. I'll post another video once it's running, probably like in a week, as soon as I get those last parts. But yeah, it's awesome. I like it. Easy to build. Wasn't hard at all. Alright, cool.